Welcome to our third lesson on the Flex tool. In this lesson, we'll be working with the tapering flex creation method. Let's return to Insert, Features, and Flex. First, I'm going to select the body, this plate, and select the tapering option. I only want to taper the middle section of this plate, so let's adjust our trim planes a little bit. Next, we need to specify a positive or negative tapering factor. Let's take a look at the negative tapering preview. Let's enter 0.2. I want the bottom portion of my plate to stay unchanged. I'm going to right-click and select Move Triad to Plane 2. Now, as you can see, the bottom portion of the plate has our original geometry. Let's click OK to exit the Flex Tool Property Manager. I want to move to another window, another example. And let's go back to Insert, Features, Flex. First, we select our body. Let's activate the tapering option. And let's reorient the triad. I'm going to enter 0 degrees here. Tab to register. I want the tapering in the middle portion of my part. Let's select some reference geometry for trim plane 1. Here we go. And for trim plane 2 as well, this vertex. Once again, we need to enter a tapering factor in the positive or negative direction, as well as specify the triad position if needed. Lastly here, let's check the Hard Edges option and click OK. As you see, we end up with analytic geometry, such as these lines here. Let's right-click on Flex 1 and select Edit Feature. Now let's uncheck Hard Edges and click OK. And now we have spline-based, smoother transitions. This concludes our third lesson about the Flex tool.